I'm Dr. Gary Wilson. I work at Clearsight Center, where I'm the president and medical director. I was born in Oklahoma City. Shortly thereafter, my parents moved to Lawton, where I grew up on a horse and cattle and wheat and hay farm. That was, looking back, a tremendous blessing for me, because my father had a day job in town, so he left me with the responsibility of running the farm. That was a very big responsibility for a young boy, but it really put me in good stead for the rest of my life as a physician and surgeon. I was about in the 3rd or 4th grade when I started working, and since he worked in town, I had to take care of most everything else, and he made sure that I did it right. I lived in Lawton through high school, and then I went to Cameron University in Lawton for the first 2 years of college. For my 3rd and 4th year of undergraduate study, I went to OU in Norman. And there I had awards like Who's Who in American colleges and universities and Big Man on Campus and things like that. I'm a big Sooner fan, and I appreciate their level of excellence that they bring in their athletic teams, and also academically, because they just won the national championship in debating this spring. And then I continued medical school at OU. I didn't realize how much I had to learn in medical school, or maybe I would never have gone, but I was very blessed to have been gifted with a photographic memory, and so it helped me memorize 25,000 pages of scientific material during medical school. The tests in medical school are exceedingly difficult. They expect you to know these things for the rest of your life and never forget them. And I found myself taking tests, just turning the pages of a book, and it was like an open book test, even though it wasn't. I never told anybody about it then, because I was afraid that they would outlaw that, somehow take that away from me. That allowed me to make the highest scores on the national board exams in medical school, where we had 16 hours of testing after our sophomore and senior year. I got an award for that. I was privileged to be president of the senior class there, and had some other awards that were very helpful. The amazing thing about it is when I first